Okay, I have this the full name of people, and I want to split it into first name and last name columns. What I'll do is I'll select the data, okay, like that, and I'll go to home and then data, and then I will click text to column, and then I will click delimited and click next, and I will choose tab, comma, and space delimiters. I can preview this here as well, how it will look, and then I'll click next. I will click on the destination, okay, box, and then um, I will just click where I want it. So I'll click on the B column, and I'll just drag it here like that. I will leave it like that, and I'll click finish, and then you can see that the first name and the last name has been separated into first name and last name columns.